Okay, let's see how many words you could find. A ver cuántas palabras encontraste. I can see. Doll. Doll is here. Building set. Building set is here. Puzzle. Puzzle. Robot. Kite. Bike. Scooter. So we have doll, we have bike, building set, puzzle, robot, kite, scooter, and what's missing? Oh yes, teddy. Where is the word teddy? Here it is. Teddy. Very good. So, doll, bike, kite, scooter, building set, puzzle, robot, teddy. 8 pictures, 8 words. Good.